So 2x squared plus 17x plus 30 divided by my g of x, which is 2x plus 5. Okay, so the symbol f over g of x means f of x over g of x. So just my f of x is this 2x to 30, and my g of x is this. So this is what I'm doing here. So now we're back to the long division, polynomial long division. So then this becomes, again, this goes here. It goes to the right of your 2x. So you got this 2x plus 5 into, you have 2x squared plus 17x plus 30. Okay. Alright, so 2x squared divided by 2x is just x. X times 2x is 2x squared. 5 times x is plus 5x. Again, subtract the line, just like you've been doing the whole time, or we've been doing the whole time. So this minus this. Alright, that's my timer. I'm almost done. This is the last example. We'll wrap this up. Alright, so subtract the second line from the first. So you have 2x squared minus 2x squared is 0. 17 minus 5 is 12x. Bring everything else down. 12x divided by 2x is just 6. So plus 6. Okay. 6 times 2x, this is 6 here, times my 2x over here. 6 times 2 is 12x. 6 times 5 is a 30. And you see, when you subtract the two lines, you get your 0. Alright, so this tells us that 2x squared plus 17x plus 30 divided by 2x plus 5 is equal to x plus 6. Okay, so now this is f divided by g of x. Now this is true. We have to throw out when x is, if I set the denominator to 0, I get 2x. Here, I want this to be a different color. Alright, if I set the denominator to 0, so I get I get 2x plus 5 equals 0. So subtract 5. I get 2x equals a negative 5. So when x is a negative 5 by 2, that's what I have to throw out. So this divided by this is x plus 6, except the only term you have to get rid of is this x equal to a negative 5 by 2. That one isn't, we have to throw it out. Because otherwise, if you look at it, you're going to get a 0 in your denominator. Okay. So now this is my f divided by g of x. Okay. But the problem asks us to find f divided by g of negative 1. So again, my f divided by g of x is x plus 6, except when x is a negative 5 by 2. Okay. So my f divided by g of negative 1, that means wherever there's an x, plug in negative 1. So I have my x plus 6. So wherever there's an x, plug in -1. So you get a -1 plus 6. So then this is 5. So your final result after all of that is 5. Okay. Yeah. So that was pretty good. If you have questions, I'm available. Send me emails. If you're working the homework on Course Compass, there's a little link on the side where it says Ask Your Instructor. Click it. Ask your question. I get it, and I can respond in the same manner as I did this lecture. Otherwise, it'd have to be in person. Have a good weekend.